Finance example 26G. Kate took out a $225,000 mortgage at 4.25% interest for 30 years. She's been making monthly payments for 15 years. What is the balance of her mortgage? Well, this sounds like we will need our loan formula, but it also sounds like a remaining balance problem. So the first thing we have to do is figure out what her monthly payment was. So I'm going to write small because we have a lot of work to do here. So we have $225,000 was her principal. I'm looking for our regular monthly payment. So 1 minus 1 plus 425 thousandths over 12 because you're making monthly payments. And then of course the 12 times the 30 years, the initial 30 years is negative 360. Close that parentheses. And divide by our 425 thousandths over 12. Okay, as we've been saying repeatedly, we want to go ahead and figure out what this is. And then once we do that, we want to keep that in our calculator. You can store it to a variable or just keep it in your calculator. Do not round this amount. We'll take the 225,000 and divide by, and you could just go to the answer button or divide by whatever variable you stored it in. It's up to you. And we should get $1,106.86. So that's our regular monthly payment. Okay, so if she's been making monthly payments for 15 years, it makes sense on a 30-year loan that she has 15 years remaining. Okay, so we're going to figure out what is the principal on the loan. How much does she have left to pay? So $1,106.86 times 1 minus 1 plus. I'll be quiet because you have all of this to the left except for this time it's going to be the minus and then 15 times 12, so we would expect negative 180. Okay, so when we type this in our calculator, that'll be $147,134.36. Okay, on H, William is 25 years old. He wants to retire at age 65. If he wants to be able to withdraw $3,000 each month from a retirement account earning 5.5% interest until he reaches age 90, so we'll say this is a saving part, and then so he retires at 65 and he wants to be able to withdraw that till he's 90 years old. Well, that means he hopes to withdraw that amount for 25 years. Okay, so how much money does William need to have in his retirement account at age 65? And then they're going to ask how much money does William need to deposit into his retirement account each month during the working years if he wants to reach that goal. So let's first take how much, how many years, 25 years in retirement, he wants to withdraw $3,000. So how much do we need for principal then? Okay, well, principal equals 3,000 times 1 minus 1 plus 0.055 divided by 12. And then, of course, negative 25 times 12 gives us 300. All over 0.055 divided by 12. So if that's what he wants to do, if he wants to take that $3,000 every month, take that out for 25 years, he'll need $488,529.74 in his account. Okay, so how much should he be depositing right now so that he can reach his goal? So at this point, we are going to need the annuity formula, right? Because the savings annuity, because we're going to be putting money into the account. So 1 plus 0.055 divided by 12 raised to the, okay, as far as time goes, he was saving for 40 years, okay? He started saving when he's 25 till he retired at 65. So that's to the 40th, oop, that's a lie. 40 times 12 is 480, power minus 1, and then we'll divide by 0.055 divided by 12. Okay, so once I figure out all of this quantity, and we remember do not round, I get the deposit to be $280.60.